Hello, welcome to our videos. If it's you, first time reaching us, please subscribe to get more videos on different money skills. Here are 5 methods you can use to make money online. 1. Freelancing. Start by identifying your skills and expertise, whether it's writing, graphic design, programming, digital marketing, or any other skill you possess. Create profiles on freelancing platforms and showcase your portfolio or previous work to attract clients. Bid on projects that match your skills and deliver high-quality work to build a positive reputation and secure repeat clients. As you gain experience, you can increase your rates and expand your clients base too. E-commerce. Research and identify a niche market for your online store. Choose a platform that suits your needs, whether it's Shopify for a customizable store, Etsy for handmade or unique products, or Amazon for a broader audience. Source or create products to sell, set up your online store, optimize product listings for search engines, and market your store through social media, email campaigns, and influencer partnerships to drive traffic and sales. 3. Affiliate marketing. Select a niche or industry that you're passionate about and research affiliate programs offered by companies in that niche. Sign up for affiliate programs and obtain unique tracking links for the products or services you want to promote. Create valuable content such as blog posts, reviews, tutorials, or videos that incorporate your affiliate links. Share your content on various platforms, build an audience, and encourage them to click on your affiliate links to make purchases. Monitor your affiliate performance and optimize your strategies to maximize commissions. 4. Online courses and digital products. Identify a topic or subject area in which you have expertise or knowledge that others would find valuable. Create a detailed outline for your online course or digital product, including modules, lessons, and resources. Use platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or Gumroad to create and host your content, set pricing, and manage student enrollment. Market your course or digital product through email lists, social media, webinars, and collaborations with influencers or industry experts to attract students and generate sales. 5. Investing and trading. Educate yourself about different investment opportunities, asset classes, and trading strategies. Open an account with a reputable online brokerage that offers access to stocks, cryptocurrencies, forex, or other financial instruments. Develop a sound investment or trading plan based on your risk tolerance, financial goals, and time horizon. Conduct thorough research and analysis before making investment decisions, and consider diversifying your portfolio to manage risk. Stay informed about market trends, economic indicators, and news events that may impact your investments or trades. Regularly review and adjust your portfolio as needed to optimize returns and minimize losses. Now, if you have any question, write below in the comment section. We will answer you, or we can discuss below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share to get more of our videos.